To build your own rock and roll, find the highest quality nylon material you can find and cut 4 46 centimeters long strings. Place them parallel to each other in 2 sets of 2 and connect them using aramid strips. Place the 2 strings of nylon at 8 centimeters apart from each other and cut a 13 centimeter wide aramid band that will be rolled on each side of the string. The separation, there should be 8 aramid bands along the length of the nylon string, and they should be separated at 4 centimeters from each other. And to attach the aramid band to the nylon string, fold it over and ensure that you have enough material to fold it on both sides. To attach it to both sides, use some super glue to ensure that the string is parallel to each other and that it's perpendicular to the aramid band. Apply some super glue underneath the nylon string and to the surface that will be contacting both aramid bands. Now that the aramid is complete, we'll get on to the next part, which is attaching the velcros. Ensure that on each side of the string you have 4 sets of velcros. You need to have hooks and loops on the velcros. For example, this is the loop side. When attaching the velcro strips to the string, make sure that you place the adhesive opposite to each other so that on both sides of the velcro you have the same side. So on this case, we have the loops. On the opposite side of the nylon string, on the other side of the wheel, you have the hook side. This will ensure that however the user decides to put these together, it will work out, whether one is over the other or the opposite fashion. Now that you know how to build your own rock and roll, go ahead and go make yourself some traction.